Then there other way, cat made those poorly world at last, rushing up to grab the lead down or inside. Together is temptress, then move up a marina. They race toward the sun. This one world at last being joined by sorry is Marinable Stormy Norman running on the outside port and the outside by 2A Leica in Manila. Lake's Way is running by the rail as they race at the final corner. This time World Atlas by about 3 lengths. Moving up on the outside once again is Temptress. Then comes Stormy Norman. And by the rail is runner number 2 Lake's Way. And down the stretch they come. It's still World Atlas leading the field, followed by Temptress, moving up by the rail, Lake's Way, Boss General, and finally World Atlas, Boss General, close between 2A, Lake in Manila, Stormy Norman, then comes Marin Noble.